Okay, now we're going to move on to the kicking techniques. These are kicks that I used to do a long time ago before I even had my first martial arts class. Thinking about the times to come out of a kung fu movie and just trying to emulate what you see in the theater. So what we're going to do, the first technique from a relaxed position, we just call this a swing front kick. It's just a reactionary kick where it just comes up, back up off me. And it's going right between the legs, back up off me. No chamber, just a swing, bam. Okay, let's go. Then we're going to do it with each leg. We're going to alternate. We're going to go 1, 2.
Sir.
Move. 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 All right, relax. And I know it feels real awkward, especially if you're a martial artist and you're used to getting in those stances and chambering and doing all that stuff. We can do that, but that's not what's going to be on the street. It's just got to be a reaction. That's how the guy, you come up to the guy on the street, it's like, what's up? He's going to be coming at you, bam. That's how it has to be. What? Bam, just like that, just a reaction.